In front of me is Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open additional settings right here, and then go to the bottom of the list where you will find backup and reset. Just mark it and then go to erase all data. And if you'd like to reset system settings, just mark it and then confirm that you want to perform this operation by selecting reset system settings only. Confirm it one more time and just wait until it's done. It will take a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your device from scratch. So I will start with changing the brightness, and then you can do whatever you want to with your phone. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.